welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I am going to unbox my butter CD. I ordered the peaches version. As you can see, yung original version na in-order ko is cream. However, I changed it after the concept photos were released and I felt like mas gusto ko yung concept nito. And yeah, so I'm so excited and I ordered from the first press, so I got the pre-order benefit as well. This is the photo card case and inside there's one photo card of a random member. And then I ordered this from the shop called Project 92 from Twitter. And they gave me freebies. I don't know what you call this, pero parang siyang metal thingy. Hindi siya card. It's really... And at the back, it says Army Department. So they gave me a lot of freebies with mini posters. I don't know what you call this, but eto. I got Namjoon again, Namjoon, and Jungkook. Yay! This one is first press, so I have the poster as well. And as you can see, it's folded. I opted for the folded poster because number one, wala siyang additional charge. And I don't mind kung meron siyang lines because this poster is so big and I don't think magagamit ko siya for my wall. So, I don't know what I can do with this poster. Siguro, if-frame ko siya. Pero super laki na talaga. Like, but it's so pretty. Hopefully, makahanap ako ng frame na kakasya dito. Okay. So, this is my poster. Now, let's hop right into the... Mga 2 days ago, dumating na to. And then, hindi pa ako makapag-film for some reason. So, ngayon, perfect. Today is a Sunday. August 29. And I have spare time. That's why I decided to film right now. So, this one is the pre-order benefit from Weavers. As you can see, it's within the Weavers shop. Super... Gusto ko na open. So, let's open the pre-order benefit first. Wait, what's the liquid? Oh my gosh! This is the back. Okay, I'll let you guys see it first before me. Kasi kinakabahan ako. One, two, three, go. I got Taeyong! Oh my god! Ang swerte ko! Swerte ko kasi I was really thinking of collecting Taeyong or Jungkook and Hobi. So, it's either Hobi, Jungkook, Hobi, Taeyong. And I got Taeyong! Super happy ko! Yun nga lang, it doesn't come with the sleeve. Kaya, syempre ito, from Korea. So, kung nandyan, nag-aalog-alog siya. So, medyo may dent lang siya sa ilalim. But it's fine. Hindi ako makapaniwala. Moving on to the album itself. Dito, may isa pang photo card. So, bale, I get two photo cards. And yeah, let's try to open this. By the way, I have another Butter album coming up. Pero mga September pa. Hindi na ako makahintay. That's why I filmed this video. And hopefully, by September, my friend's water album arrives na din. Kasi my original plan was to film an unboxing with this friend. Secret, di ko muna sasabihin kasi. By September, siguro mga September second week or third week, I'm gonna have another unboxing video. Wala lang, for me, super enjoy lang ng unboxing videos because I get to see my reaction and I also get to like document everything here and share it with the people who are interested. Oh my gosh! Wait, dapat malinis muna yung kamay ko. So pretty! Actually, hindi ko siya in-expect to be this small. Pero I don't mind because it's so pretty. So this is the peaches version. So ayoko siya buksan ng paganto kasi nakikita ko agad yung photo card. So I'm gonna like flip it this way. I'm gonna open it this way. Ayan. So in here, merong CD, photo book, sticker, message card, and one photo card. Charlie, salika, can you help me? Sige na.
Nandito?
Oo, and then put it here. Just make sure I don't see it. Nakatalikod ah.
Nakawa ko yung stickers.
Not the stickers. Photo card and message card.
Okay, wait. One photo card.
Oh wait.
One message.
Okay, that's it.
May Polaroid thing.
What?
Kasama ba to?
Can you put it dun na lang? Put it back. Hindi. Put it dun sa here. Everything is here. The photo card and message cards are in here. So first, I'm gonna show you guys the CD. Has 4 songs. No, 2 songs and then two instrumental. So 4, all in all. Butter and Permission to Dance. Share this. Ay, hindi. Ito pala yung ano. Kala ko photo card. Oh my god. Ginawa mo yung reverse thingy with the QR code. I won't show that anymore. And then the sticker set. So pretty. Ang cute. So high quality as well. The reason kung bakit ko napili yung cream version, yung una kong in-order, yung cream. Dahil may sticker siya dito, nakasulat bestie. I also like this one, this version. So cute. And then I have here lyric cards, Permission to Dance, and Butter. And then here, dito mo kinuha yung message card? No. Okay. I forgot. Meron pala siyang ganito. Yung parang stand na ilalagay ko sa table. So, it looks like that. The photo is the same as the one in the poster as well. Yeah. Oh my gosh. The photo book! I really like photo books. So, here, their concept is wow! Parang meron silang concept na sa car wash. Meron ding concept na nasa beach. Oh my gosh, ang cute ni Hobie dito. I'll choose one favorite photo. Car wash version and beach version. Ala. So pretty. Namj. Ang cute ni Yoongi. I love it. Oh my gosh, grabe. Super guaps. Can you guys see it? So I'll choose one favorite photo here. I think my favorite would be... I think my favorite would be Jimin's photo because the red hair. Oh my god. Super bagay sa kanya yung red hair, as you can see. Okay, next, to the beach. Pero dito nakasulat, to the beach. OMG, joke lang. Ito pala favorite photo ko nung sa car wash. OT7. They're just laughing and having fun. So cute. Ah! Oh my god. I think that would be my favorite photo. Pero wait, hanap pa ako. Ano ang page na to? So pretty. Okay, wala. Yun talaga yung favorite ko. The very first page. This one. It's Holy. Super cute. This concept is like super perfect for him. Okay, now we're done with the photo book. Hala! Oh my gosh, may nalimutan ako gawin. Nalimutan kong kumatok sa album. Like, anyway. So, ito na yung pulls ko. I got one message card and one photo card. So, let's go. Ito muna. This yellow thingy. Oh, yeah. Meron palang ganito. I didn't know. Polaroid OT7. Ang cute! Meron bang ganito? Kasi sa mga unboxing na napapanood ko, parang walang ganito. Parang ako lang meron nito. Ang cute! Ang cute! Ang cute! Message card next. Okay, I'll close my eyes again. Boom. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my gosh, yung pinapakita ko wala pala. But I got Jungkook. Oh my gosh, kaya sobrang swerte ko. Ngayon, sobrang swerte ng pulse ko. Okay, here's his message card. Ooh, ang cute. I pulled a Jungkook, Euphoria. Oh my gosh, can you see that? Can you see that? Super high quality, super ganda. And here's his signature. Jungkook. Okay, time for the main event. Actually, kahit sino ma-pull ko, okay lang. But of course, gusto ko yung bias ko, which is Hobie. But actually, parang sa BTS, like, kahit sino ma-pull mo, masaya ka talaga. I don't know, maybe because I really love them all so much. Here we go. Magpipikit ulit ako, so you guys can see it first before me. Hindi ko alam na yung harap. Tama ba? Okay. Okay na ba? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. It's Yoongi! I got the Yoongi and Taeyong! Oh my gosh. By the way, nagpa-Instagram poll pala ako. Ay, Instagram question pala ako. And then someone answered Yoongi and Taeyong. Almost everyone answered Hobie. But it's okay if I really don't get him because I can always buy his photo card sa BNS. Pero, grabe, I'm so happy to get them, the two of them. Just look at him. Super cute. I also like his hair dito sa comeback na to. As well as Taeyong. For what I know, Yoongi's hair right now is pink. Yung last tweet niya, I think it was pink. But for me, pinakabagay talaga sa kanya yung black hair. So, yeah, that's all, guys. Pero wait, aayusin ko muna. So, see first. I got Jungkook, Taeyong, and Yoongi. Sana yung yung isa ko pang album na dadating. Hindi ko pa kasi sure anong version yun, but I hope it's the other version. And yeah, I'm excited to do another video because I enjoy doing videos like this. So if you guys have any suggestions, any video suggestions, please comment them down in the comment section. And yeah, I'm so happy talaga, I swear. As in, I think that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you want, hit the notification bell so you guys will be notified every time I post a new video. Like this video as well as comment your any thoughts, any suggestions para may ideas ako sa gagawin ko next video. So, yeah, that's it. Thumbnail muna. Thanks guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!